Day 2 of 30 Days in Nature. Light and shadows, gentle movement created by small breezes. This is Sheila Finkelstein. Treasure your life now, using technology made easy. Capture the moment. Nature's combined with the sounds of the real world, traffic on the opposite side of the wall. Exploring what might open up for me in the next 30 days, and 29 now, and presumably be able to tie it together for some new openings for you. Would love to know if there's anything that opens up for you today, just sitting, watching the wind, breeze, gentle movements. To a light-filled, gentle day. Sheila Finkelstein. Technology for seniors. Made easy so you can treasure your life now.